Did you know you could move to the US simply by transferring within your company? It's one of the fastest US residency routes for managers. Meet the L-1 Intra-Company Transfer visa. It's designed for managers, executives, and employees with specialized expertise. L-1A is for managers and executives. L-1B targets employees with specialized knowledge. Both offer unique advantages. Eligibility requires at least one continuous year of employment with the company abroad within the past 3 years. Employer must have both U.S. and foreign entities with a qualifying corporate relationship, like parent, branch, or affiliate. Both entities must be actively doing business. The company handles transfer filings for eligible employees. Once approved, you can work legally in the U.S., often within weeks, with minimal paperwork compared to other routes. L-1 visas typically process much faster than most work visas, making it a top choice for qualified employees. Your spouse and children under 21 can receive L-2 visas, allowing them to live with you in the U.S. L-2 spouses can apply to work in the U.S., and children can enroll in U.S. schools, opening doors for the whole family. Unlike other visas, the L-1 doesn't require stressful labor certification. That can mean less waiting and fewer hurdles. L-1A visa holders can transition to a green card via the EB-1C category, skipping many usual steps to permanent residency. Key benefits: rapid case review, family inclusion, and a direct path to U.S. permanent residency for leaders and experts. If you're part of a multinational, your next promotion may be a ticket to new opportunities in the U.S. Could your career move be your pathway to U.S. life? The L-1 visa might just be your shortcut.